Good morning, everyone. Today is a special day because today I'm going to the office for the first time this year. Yay, to my first office visit. But I'm going in today because it's Lunar New Year week and my manager planned like this spring roll demo event thing later today, but regardless, I'm gonna get free spring rolls and Thai tea today. So that is why I'm going into the office. And I'm really excited because I get to finally get free lunch again and free snacks and free happy hour. So time to ruin my 2023 diet, and also I'm really excited to see my coworkers. I haven't seen like my coworkers / friends in a while, so it's gonna be a fun day indeed. That's it, no makeup. Here is the fit. Time to go to the office. Hello, Uber. Your favorite brain cells are back. Favorite brain cells are back. And I stole 4 breads. It's my acidic. It's really good. That guy has some really skinny pants on. There is a line for lunch now. The interns feed us. There's so many young kids. It's like a daycare. The spa water looks good. these now, and you can add more protein. This one is orange creamsicle, so we'll see if it's good.
Oh my god, that wasn't just smoothie.
We have smoothies now. They got smoothie. This is very good.
Tabernacle will shackle any MCs that want to step to me in battle. Religion, he gon' move it in my pulpit, my pulpit, my pulpit. A new age established religion, religion, he gon' legend in my pulpit. My tabernacle will shackle any MCs that want to step to me in battle. Religion, he gon' move it in my pulpit. My tabernacle will shackle a new age established.
Am I used this time?
The fish sauce is fire.
Mmm.
It's fire.
Hello everyone, I am back home from my first office visit of the year. It was honestly a short and sweet one because Bree and I got there around lunch and then we kind of worked for like 3 hours and then went to the spring roll event and went home. So this was probably a very short office vlog, but it was nice to be back to get my free coffee and free lunch and free snacks and free spring rolls. Free everything. But I am now home. I was thinking about going on a walk, but it's dark already, so we're not gonna do that. I do have to get some like personal work things done. I have a video releasing tomorrow. Watch my Notion video if you haven't yet. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night, not do anything too crazy, and do it all again tomorrow. We love corporate life. Yes.